Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Happy Friday, or happy whatever day it is when you're watching this. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite pasta sauce recipes. This is super simple, super basic, very minimal ingredients. It is vegan for all my vegan peeps out there, and this is a sauce that can be used for so many different things. If you just want to put it on pasta and eat it, it's great. If you want to use it to make chicken parm, if you want to use it to make lasagna, this is like your all-purpose, super simple, basic marinara sauce. I can't say I invented this recipe because there's probably hundreds of versions of this exact recipe or a similar recipe out there on the internet, but I wanted to share it with you guys on my channel. So many of you made the galettes from last week's cooking video, which is so exciting. All of my tagged photos on Instagram are of your beautiful galette creations, and it just makes me so happy. I'm gonna put a bunch of your photos in at the end of this video to just show my appreciation and also share your beautiful creations with the rest of the viewers because they need to be seen. Like I said, today we're going to be making a garlicky marinara sauce. This is a super cheap recipe to recreate, and it's a great thing to have in your fridge or your freezer at all times. There's really no need to buy pre-jarred sauce. It is honestly a lot more expensive and it's a lot less fresh than this one. Plus, you made this with your own hands, so you're gonna feel really good about eating it. So for this recipe, you need very minimal ingredients and very minimal tools or cookware items. It's literally the most basic recipe, but I want to share it with you guys because I love it and I think everybody should know how to make a simple pasta sauce. You'll need 1 to 2 28-ounce cans of whole peeled tomatoes. These are the peeled tomatoes I like to use. If you can't find these exact ones, no biggie, just use what you have. This can be done with fresh tomatoes if you'd prefer, but you have to peel them and that's kind of a pain in the ass, so just use the canned ones. It tastes just as good. You'll need a bunch of garlic. I would say just buy a whole bulb and use as much as you want. I'm probably gonna use about 10 cloves depending on the size. Some fresh bay leaves. I'm gonna be using Italian parsley today because that's what I have and it's starting to get a little sad on me, so we're gonna use it up. You can also use basil, but I have parsley on hand, so that's what I'm gonna be using. Today, I'm just gonna be throwing it over some pasta. I like to eat large pasta with this sauce, whether that's jumbo shells, which is what I have here, or packery, which is sort of like rigatoni, but it's larger and a little bit more flat. It's great because this sauce is a bit chunky, so it allows for the chunks to get caught inside the noodles. I may add a little salt or pepper to taste, but it just depends on how it turns out. Are you guys ready to make some pasta sauce? Because I'm ready. All right, let's get into it. This is probably gonna be one of the easiest recipes that I share with you guys. First step is to smash your 10 to 15 or however many cloves of garlic you wanna use. Sandwich them between 2 pieces of plastic wrap and smash them with a rolling pin or the bottom of a pan. You want different sized chunks of garlic. So if you have some larger pieces and some tiny pieces, that's great. It's gonna create different layers of flavor. You're gonna have more of a raw garlic flavor, but then you're also going to get that toasted, delicious garlic flavor. Add the garlic into your heavy bottomed pot with a few tablespoons of olive oil. This is what you're looking for. You have all of those golden brown pieces, but then you still have those chunks over here. You're gonna cook your garlic until the smaller pieces start to brown, and then add in your whole peeled tomatoes. Take a wooden spoon and start to break up the whole tomatoes. They're gonna explode and let their juices out, and that's great, that's what we want. Let that simmer for about 45 minutes. Check on it every 10-15 minutes or so just to make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom. Got it on a medium heat. So it's been 45 minutes and this is what the sauce is looking like. I'm very happy with it. You can see a lot of the liquid has cooked off and now it is meaty and chunky and delicious. And when I say meaty, I just mean like the tomatoes are meaty. There's actually no meat in this, so. Once your sauce is cooked down, go ahead and add in a couple bay leaves. Let it cook for another 15 minutes. I roughly chopped some parsley. You don't need to like finely chop it unless you want to. I just killed the heat, so we're gonna stir in the parsley. We'll see if this needs any salt or anything. It tastes pretty great as is, but I like salt, so I'm gonna add a couple pinches of salt. I'd probably say that's like a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half. That's it. Your sauce is complete. If you're gonna be serving this over pasta immediately, go ahead and boil your water and follow the instructions on the back of your pasta box. The sauce is complete. I put it over some giant shells and now I'm going to try it for you. I've had this sauce like a million times, so I already know it's good. You guys like to see me taste things on camera, so I'm gonna try it for you now. You can see with these large noodles that the sauce gets all up in there, which is the best part. So not graceful. These shells are huge. Okay. I think I could literally eat this sauce by the spoonful. So delicious, so simple, super clean ingredients, no sugar, vegan, multi-purpose. I mean, if you don't make this sauce and keep it in your fridge, I don't know what you're doing. You could honestly use this as pizza sauce and it would be just incredible. It's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram. It's so exciting to see you guys make all of my recipes. So keep up the good work and keep sending me photos. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Go treat yourself to a bowl of pasta and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!